Hi guys, Russ and Walker here from Wilson Land and Cattle Company. Today we're hanging bluebird boxes. This is what's left of the 90 bluebird boxes we have. We have approximately, I don't know how many is there, maybe 38 or 40.
Didn't you say 40 yesterday?
Something like that. 38 or 40 we haven't hang yet. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And before we get started, please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. If you'd like to donate to the channel, there's a link in the description below. And if you'd like to check out our Amazon storefront, we'd really appreciate it. Let us know what you think. And let's go ahead and get started.
I'll go put these two out.
Yeah, what Walker's doing is we're putting our bluebird houses, I don't know if you can see them up here, we're putting them on every other post. And actually they're not just bluebird boxes, they're tree swallow. We're trying to actually get tree swallows to come into the farm as well. So in tree swallows we can put them boxes 35 feet apart and we won't have any issues. Bluebirds need to be 300 feet apart. And whenever we're hanging our boxes, set a box up there, bud, and we'll show them what we need to do.
This one should do.
Yep. Okay, we're facing east with our box. You want to mount that box east to north for bluebirds and tree swallows. And we have our prevailing winds come from the southwest, and all the weather hits this side of the box, so we don't need to worry about wind blowing rain into the house itself. Now you want to turn that around so we can show them how we clean these out. Yeah. Okay, to clean these out, we just pull this screw here out, flip the door up, and we can pull the nest out. And we want to clean these out next March sometime. We'll leave the nest in through the summer and into the fall and winter. That way in the nighttime, birds and stuff come in here and they stay during the night, so they can stay warm in a nice house through the winter time in there. So, and then flip it around again there, bud. And then to attach these, we just put two 3-inch screws in it, like right there, and we're golden, good to go. So you want to go ahead and get them scattered out. What Walker's going to do is he's going to take the buggy and put drop one every 2 posts, and then I'm going to come through with the screwer, the impact driver, and we're going to go ahead and drive 2 screws into each one of these to mount them. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So
I'll take these two, put them on 2 more posts.
Okay, sounds good, bud. Okay guys, this is the last box we're gonna put up for this year. We put over 90 up this year. Twist it a little bit like that. Yep, just like that. Okay, got them up.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised.
They look nice. These boxes look nice on the fence line.
Wouldn't be surprised if looked like we were driving along and just slapping them on the posts.
Yeah. We got what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We got 15 in this field here, which should be sufficient. And then we have probably another 15 out in the other field.
Yeah, we got about 40 up, and this would be third. Yeah, that'd probably be 1, 2, 3, 4, old ones. We probably put up about 11 new ones in this field.
Okay.
Wait, I thought we only had 7.
We had 11.
No, 7 back ones that we put on there.
I don't know. But anyhow, we got about 15 in this field. 15 on the other side of the pine trees, which that's 30, and then the remainder we put on the other farm. We've been putting them every other post, which, you know, makes it really look nice. It really looks nice on there. How many bluebirds we seen today? Put hanging these up. We seen what, 5?
I saw 3 at least, but I'm not sure if that one bird I saw down there was a bluebird or not.
Okay, so I've seen 5. So the bluebirds are actively seeking out these birdhouses already. And no, it didn't. The male's in there. That's the female. See? Geez, guys, I don't know if you can see this or not, but we have a pair of bluebirds in that nest box right there, and it's only been up for about 3 days. It's really cool. I like it. The male's right here, and the female's out beyond there in those hemp dogbane. Walker and I are going to be hanging boxes here. That's really cool, huh, bud? Yeah. Makes our work worth our while, huh? Yeah, check it out there, guys. And the tree swallows, they won't be back until about the middle of April. Okay, guys, we're gonna pick a winner for the large square bale flaker video, the Freeze Miser giveaway. Let's go ahead and pick a winner. T-Rig, the winner. You're a pretty supportive subscriber, so you really deserve it. Thank you for commenting on the videos, and get a hold of me and we'll get that sent out to you. So anyhow, that's how we put our bird boxes up, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. Please, if you're interested in donating to the channel, there's a link in the description below. And we also have a link to our Amazon storefront. Check it out. Let us know what you think. We'll talk to you later. Have a great day.
Bye.